here waiting to check in. So yeah. Here are our little troopers. Everyone's gonna grab their supplies in their hand. That way we don't have to worry about taking the burley or anything like that. Tom, you wanna carry something? Can you? Uh-oh. Oh, why don't you over here? Stay over here. It's hot, yes. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Do you see Hyssop's shoes in there? Her shoes are really good. On the front seat or something? She's okay, guys.
Mom, look, I made ABC.
You made ABC? What's wrong with you?
Sorry.
There you go. Thank you. Now she's really ready.
You want your shoe?
I'm gonna get the baby carrier and put him on me. Grab the sand dunes. Ready. So we decided we're gonna go ahead and park up right here in front of the hotel access area so we can go from the pool to the beach, from the pool to the beach. Right up here on this ridge, it looks like everyone's prepping for the tide to come up. You can kind of tell how everyone's up here on this little ledge. When the tide comes up, it probably comes up all the way up to this little mound, this little ledge that it made. So everyone's kind of situated up there. That lets us know the tide's probably coming in. What a beautiful day. The colors are surreal. Gosh, I don't even have sunglasses on. I want to just take it all in.
Mom, can I go to the water?
Wait for us to set up, baby. Come help us.
I don't know where I want to be.
Guys, I want a shoe pile up top on the ridge.
This is our line.
Up on the ridge. Shoe pile up here, guys, just in case the tide comes in. Shoe pile up here. Go ahead and protect our shoes. We're going to take it up here. Shoes. Shoes up here, guys. I don't want to have to worry about it getting washed out once we go to pool. We're going to be jumping from pool to beach. From beach to beach. To beach to pool. See, I said more beach than pool. Sand is pretty warm. It feels nice. It feels nice on my toes. I need a spot in with those. Woo! Diamond, can you go ahead and start putting that in right there in the middle, honey? Perfect. feels good on my feet.
This is Goji. Like, comment, subscribe already. And Lily, thanks for watching.
He's putting it in pretty deep. It's a little windy, so we want to make sure we're anchored in real good. He's doing a really good job. What a strong boy. 11 years old already. That looks good, honey. Hyssop's your helper. She's got the post. Whoop. We have a domino effect going on here. We'll let the men handle it. Diamond's always Dad's right-hand man. Go wash your hands in the water. Yeah. She came to me with her dirty hands because they're sandy. Excuse the baby bounce for a minute. We're doing the baby bounce. Baby bounce. Baby bounce for Cristiano. Ooh. Camera's shaking, but I want you to see how easy this setup this is. I like to keep things minimalistic. With 11 people in my life, I don't have much time for things. I have a lot of time for them. Worked out perfectly because they're filling up the tails with sand. You can see Goji over here. He's filling up the tail with some sand, and then it's gonna stay anchored down nice and tight.
Surfboard's waxed.
Nice. We're gonna go ahead and anchor us down. Diamond's working over there. Lily and Acacia are working over here. We're the dream team. And the shade is casted in the perfect spot right there on the flat sand. Just nice enough for the kids to build sand castles or whatever their heart desires. So what we brought to the beach were most important floaties. The younger ones can swim, but for safety reasons, because the ocean's a little different than the pool, we bring the floaties for Goji, Phoenix, Acacia, and of course Hyssop, you can't swim yet. We brought boogie boards, only the boogies that everyone can carry. Lily has a boogie board, Acacia's got a mini boogie, and over here behind Diamond we've got another boogie board. We brought Rose's surfboard. She carried that in her hands. Michael brought the umbrella. He also brought this small cooler, which is loaded with water and snacks. I've got my little Deuter kid bag. This is the perfect size for anything. It's really my diaper bag, and I've got swim diapers in here for Christian, and in a pinch I use this to hike. Yes, you may. I use this to hike for our outings because a little kid can wear this. It's really light. I can also clip it on the handlebars to anything. We brought our duffel of sand toys. We have 3 towels. Most of the time we don't even dry off because it's so nice and warm that the sun dries us off. And I brought that little floaty for Christian, this little yellow one. We'll see if we can use it out there in the water or not. Towels, we'll go ahead and spread them out since we didn't find our beach blanket. But usually we have a small, it's really small, the size of like an eggplant. And that's our beach blanket. Christian's falling asleep now. Let's see if you can see him. Good night, little one. Good night. Falling asleep to the soothing waves.